Okay, bitch, we gonna feed the fucking ducks.
Go ahead, but don't touch them if you don't want to die.
Peppa and George are supposed to the risk of getting rabies.
Listen here, motherfucker. Let's catch and eat the ducks.
They've got rabies, dumbass. Let's get out of here.
Fucking hell! If I die, I'm gonna kill you, Mrs. Duck.
Daddy Pig might have died already from rabies.
Holy fucking cow! The fuck?
Oh, hell no!
These ducks look angry.
Run. I'm tired of running from these ducks.
Don't worry.